Hey guys, it's Abhi here. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna be baking a cake. This is the first time baking anything, so I have to hope for my best, and yeah, I have to do my best. So my cake mix here is from Betty Crocker, and it's called Super Moist Cake Mix, milk chocolate. So that's what I'm gonna be using right here. And for extra, I added chocolate chip cookies, which it didn't say you have to add, but yeah. So the ingredients are 1 1/4 cup of water, and then 1/3 cup of oil, and 3 large eggs. And yeah, that's it. You need a tray, like you need a baking tray, and I oiled it up already. And now you need a bowl this big or so, and then you need a beater. And I do it in one, so it doesn't like spray everywhere, like 1 power. So yeah, let's begin. So first it says you have to put this in the baking mix. So I'm gonna put that in right now. Okay, now that's done. Set that aside. So now the next thing it says you need here is water, which is 1 1/4 cup. Well, I measured, like you need one big, like one of these and 1/4 of them together. And then you pour them in. Oh yeah, and you need to preheat the oven to 350. And now you need, it says you need oil and 3 large eggs. So I'm gonna put in the oil first. Okay, so now you need 3 large eggs. Oh my god, okay, so yeah. 3 large eggs, and then you mix them together. Medium speed or beat vigorously by hand 2 minutes. And then after that you have to pour it into the pan. So first I gotta beat this up with this. And chocolate chips are in. Mixing it so it's spaced out evenly. Okay. Headphone. Okay. Okay. This is the scary part. Okay, now I need the thing. Okay, so I've poured the whole thing in now. So I've let it sit in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. And I have to sit it here for 10 more minutes so it cools down and you can eat it. Let's see if it comes out clean, then that means it's perfect. Now it's ready to eat. Okay. It's really good. this is it for the video, guys. Please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for new videos. Bye.